Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is first time I'm coming on Facecam, so I get to see you fantastic people over there and you also get to see me, and let's get to know each other better. My name is Tulsi and I make a video editing tutorial on photography. I have been Lightroom user for quite a long time now, but recently I have made a switch to Capture One, and that's where I started my YouTube channel and I make videos by using Capture One editing. But primarily I switched because I was looking for something more affordable, and that's where I found solution in Capture One, where I can buy one license and have it for lifetime as opposed to subscription which I used to pay in Lightroom. Now with these things out of the side, let's get into today's edit. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I edit a bird photograph by using just simple quick edits and achieve fantastic results. So let's get into the picture. So this is the picture I've selected for this video. So what I'm going to do, I will right click on this image and I'll make new variant. So what does that new variant do is essentially it just makes a virtual copy of the same image. So why I have done that, because when I finish editing at the end I can show you both the actual file and the edited file side by side, as opposed to see before and after. This was also one of the feedback in my previous video by one of the viewer, so I have made a note of that feedback. So hopefully I'll be able to show you at the end of the video side by side comparison. Now let's straight go into the image. I prefer editing in full screen view. This is one of the feature I like in Capture One, which we do not have in Lightroom. So the first I'm going to go in lens correction tab and remove chromatic aberration. As you can see here, it is analyzing for the chromatic aberration and remove the purple difference all the way. Now let's go to the HDR tab. Let's zoom in a little bit on the subject. Now let's review the histogram first. So it's a little underexposed photo because the bird is a dark color. I could have done better while I was shooting, but nevertheless we'll still fix it. But however, on histogram there is nothing clipping, so I still have a room to get around it. So let's lift up the shadow a bit. Let's lift up the shadow a little bit and pull up blacks just tiny bit somewhere here, and maybe a little bit of exposure. So as you can see, this is before, this is after. So far already it has done fantastic improvement. Now I'm going to select one layer, so I'll not this layer, I'll remove that. What I'm looking for is the full filled layer, and then we go to Luminance. So what it does is, it's like a Photoshop, you are applying a layer. So let me hit M, display the mask. So as you can see, it has made the mask all over the image. So what we are going to do is, we are going to do selective edit only on the bird, which is your subject. So you need to determine which pixels your subject represents, darks or the brights. So if it is dark pixels, then you remove the bright from the photo. If it is the bright pixels, then you remove dark from the photo. So in that case, we are going to remove the bright pixels, and let's see how far we can drag. I think this does a pretty decent job. Yep. Let's remove sensitivity and increase radius. That's it. So it has done decent selection of the bird. So what we are going to do now is just increase exposure tiny little bit on the bird. This is too much, just 0.5 is fine. Reduce highlight and we'll give structure, so it will enhance the details on the feather, as you can see here. And we'll give a little bit of saturation and we'll increase the shadow and decrease the blacks in this case, so it will give good contrast. Now I'm going to go to the Find tab, and what I'm going to do, because I've shot this at a quite high ISO 2000 and it was underexposed, so when we recover those details it goes even further noisy. So just will remove little bit of noise. I think this is fine. Let's wait it till the load. Look at that, very nice details. And again I will go back to the main exposure tab and will give negative clarity to smoothen out a little bit. Now let's come out of the full screen, and I would like to crop this to square. So let's square crop, get the bird in the middle, hit enter, OK, and let's come down to background layer and let's do S curve. That's it, and just increasing it down a little bit. That's it, and give bit of vignette. And again I will come back to adjustment layer 1 and will give slight contrast. I think that's it, pretty much done. Very quick edit. And let's see both images side by side. So this is how we started and this is where we are. So let's remove this and review this in full screen. Very simple, quick edit. So I hope you like this quick editing tip on Capture One. So if you really like me to make more contents like this, then please do share, subscribe to my channel, give me your feedback in the comment section below. And if you like me to edit your photo like that and make a video, please send me your photo on my email. I'll put a link in the description below. So this is Tulsi signing out until I meet you again in the next video.